Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how we create a polls on our Instagram story by us or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and after that we just need to go into the story section. You can just slide the screen into the right side until you access the story section, and now you can either capture the moments directly by clicking this button, or you can also access your device by go click this. And now you just need to choose which pictures that you want to use. For example, let's do it this, and you can adjust the size too. Okay, and after that, to create the polls, you just need to go click this features, and after that go click poll. And now you just need to ask the questions that you want to add. For example, okay, what content that you prefer to. Okay, you can like give an options to, for example, a fashion or ASMR or coffee hunting. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to click done by click randomly the specific or the random place. And after that, you can also adjust in the position by like click and hold this pulse and place it into the specific position. You can also resize it by pinch with the tool of your finger. Okay, I would like to place it here. And after that, after you're done, you just need to go click your story to upload it into your story. That's all the way how to create polls on Instagram story. If you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.